पानी
उसके बाद उसमें ना हमें टर्मरिक पाउडर ऐड करना है।
ज़्यादा नहीं होता बोलते
कलर चेंज हो गया है। क्यों है ऐसे? टर्मरिक में जो होता है उसमें एसिड होता है, एसिडिक इन नेचर होता है टर्मरिक। और जो डिटर्जेंट होता है उसमें क्या वो बेस होता है। उसमें एसिडिक और बेस का जो रिएक्शन होता है उसमें कलर चेंज होकर रेड हो गया है।
-6/7 plus -4/5. Plus minus equals to -4/5. 6 5 are 30. -30. -4 7 are 28. 7 5 are 35. Minus minus plus 30 minus 28. Minus 58/35. We have to multiply a rational number 2/3 and 5/8. That's 2/3 multiplied by 5/8. The numerator is 2 and the denominator is 8. So it's cancel out. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Then 1 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 4. Multiply by 1 5 are 5, 3 4 are 12. Thank you. We have to divide these two rational numbers. -58/35 divided by -22/15. Division becomes multiplication. Reciprocal of second rational number. This is 15/-22. Here 15 and 35 will get cancelled by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. -58 and 22 are even number. Minus get cancelled. 58 divided by 2 we get 29 and 22 divided by 2 we get 11. There we got 29 multiplied by 3 in numerator and 7 into 11 in denominator. So we have to multiply 29 into 3, 3 9 3 into the 6 plus 8. Upon 7 11 plus 77. So we get 87/77. Thank you.